In this video, we're going to be learning to sign Easter Good Friday. In a world where communication is key, everyone deserves the opportunity to express themselves. At Sign Tribe Academy, we believe that American Sign Language is more than just a language. It's a bridge to understanding, connecting, and empowerment. Our sign language and disability support courses were developed with one mission in mind: to teach American Sign Language to support communication strategies for autistic and disabled individuals. With over 1,000 videos, including easy-to-follow courses, interactive lessons, conversational skills, live Zoom workshops, and a supportive community, Sign Tribe Academy provides the strategies and resources needed to unlock the potential of our students. Whether you or your child are just beginning the ASL learning journey or looking to expand your ASL vocabulary, Sign Tribe Academy has something for everyone. Unlock the power of communication with Sign Tribe Academy. Join us today and let's create a world where everyone can be seen, heard, and understood. Sign Tribe Academy, where communication begins. Easter. So Easter has several different variations, and you may see more than just what I'm showing you today. Easter, so make two E's and then twist your hands like this, Easter. Or you may also see another variation where the E just moves in an arch right in front of you, Easter. Good Friday. Good. You're going to have your dominant hand, or both your hands in closed fives, dominant hand touching your chin. Good. Now, sometimes you'll see good with just one hand, which is also the sign for thank you. So you may see it like this or like this, okay? Good Friday. You're going to make an F and then rotate towards your body. Friday, okay? Good Friday.